Begin by navigating to Connections in your settings, where you can oversee your Wi-Fi and mobile networks. From there, move to SIM Manager to integrate an eSIM. In the SIM Manager, you can manage your current SIM cards and prepare to add an eSIM. Select the option to add eSIM and embark on a seamless journey to connect to mobile networks without the need for a physical SIM card. Get ready to scan the QR code provided by your service provider. Have it at hand for the next step. Once scanned, your eSIM will be configured and will appear in the eSIM section of your SIM Manager. To enable internet access, direct yourself back to mobile networks. Here, switch Data Roaming to On for your new eSIM and ensure it's selected under Mobile Networks. Proceed to access point names within the mobile network settings. Add a new APN and designate Global Data as your APN. Congratulations! Your device is now adeptly set up. Enjoy your newfound connectivity and all the features at your disposal.